This is room 614 at the Embassy Suites, and we're in Charleston, West Virginia, of all places. This room is a 2-bed but 2-room suite. So when you walk in, there's a table here, there's a 1 desk chair and then 2 other chairs. There is a pull-out sofa, 2 ottomans that could also be seats, a chair here, lamp, telephone, another lamp, a television, and let's see what's in here. Anything fun? Oh, extra bedding in here. This is a pet-friendly room. As you can see, Frankie's here with me on this trip. Walking into this section here is the microwave, the refrigerator, and we have a wet bar here, some storage room under it, coffee maker, coffee stuff, ice bucket, a large mirror here. The bathroom, big sink area, Neutrogena, and a big bathtub with a Speakman shower head, and 2 shelves for your shampoo, and then a bar to get in and out. Toilet, and then extra towels here. And do these drawers open? And a nice big drawer with the hair dryer and extra tissues and paper. Okay, coming back out into the bedroom, there is a closet here, and it does have a safe, and it does have a suitcase holder as well as an iron and ironing board. Desk here with a lamp with lots of outlet options. Another TV in the bedroom, 2 queen beds, an alarm clock in the middle, also a couple outlets here, USB and a normal, just 110. Then there's a lamp in between. There's another lamp in the corner here. Then outside, this just kind of looks at the downtown area. I believe this is Court Street that is right in front of us. So you're downtown, walkable. There's also shopping nearby. There's a couple of restaurants nearby. So pretty local to everything downtown. And this window might open. All right, so if this window does open, I can't figure out how. I'm thinking it doesn't. It looks like it may be bolted up there. Maybe it opened at one point. We do have the darkening curtains in here, and each bed has 3 pillows. No real top sheet. It's kind of like that top sheet and duvet in one. There's also a full-length mirror behind the door in the bedroom here. And I think that's pretty much everything in here. And here's one more look at Frankie dog. Frank! Yep, this is 614 at the Charleston, West Virginia Embassy Suites. And this is a pet-friendly room. And you can see Frankie is enjoying his own bed over here.